I'm back. Really quick problem solving video. It's got to be quick because I'm running out of time on my camera because I don't have memory. The issue I'm having is this is section C, section D is inside, and section B is going to go across. We already knew that stuff. B has the C and D have the angle that butt up against the trapezoid thing here, and then the trapezoid has the handle going into this, the round rod thing, the dowel rod, and then this also has the knife going into it. I did some more work on the knife. I have the little legs for that wrap around the handle on. These are going to get severely smoothed out, but for the time being they're on. And then I got the fin, the middle section that goes into the slot that I put on the trapezoid too. That's not exact. I'm going to have to fiddle with this. That might be one of the solutions to my problem also. Problem I'm having is this goes in there, this goes in there. This is supposed to be parallel. In fact, but instead it's overlapping. They're going into each other, and they're supposed to be going across from each other. The other option, I can change this rectangle. That was option C that I had, which will change how this fits in. So instead of fitting in like this, it'll fit in a little bit more like that, which will change the way these go. Instead of like that, it opens it up this way, which will be parallel, like that, parallel. I'll have to do that a little bit. That's option D, is doing a little bit of all three options. I'll go in reverse order. That's option, altering this is option C. Doing option D is doing all the options. Option B is altering this, the trapezoid itself. If I change the angles on this is still hot glued on, it's not permanently glued. If I change the angles on this, either by not making an isosceles trapezoid, just changing this angle a little bit this way, so that this, instead of going straight down like that, goes like that, should actually be a more severe angle, not a less severe angle. I was kept trying to, the flatter this is, the flatter this is this way, the more it'll go in. Okay, so making it a more severe angle, or making it a smaller trapezoid, also a possibility, would alter that. Option A, the first option was, I was thinking, this angle could change. It could be less severe. B isn't cut yet. I have the lines in for B because I traced them from C and D. Like I did. That's where you see the drill line right alongside there. But doesn't have to be this angle. It could actually be from this point to here. Meaning that instead of this, it would be, this. Again, we're trying to alter this so it goes parallel to the thing. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. I'm very confused about this situation. But now I at least have three possible solutions. Four possible solutions, because there's the option of doing some of everything, or some of two of the three options. I also have a fifth solution that I came up with on this little video, making this a smaller trapezoid, which would make this smaller, which I'll still have to change the angles on it, but if I make this smaller, it would actually fit better in this, which is part of the problem I'm having, because you can see a little gap there. I actually do want to change the... This is not a... This rectangle isn't a rectangle, it's a parallelogram. I want to make it a rectangle. It was supposed to be a rectangle, but I free drew it, and it didn't actually go. Obviously, a lot of work needs to be done on this anyway, so I'm not sure which of the options is going to be best. Maybe a little bit of everything, but finding the solution to the problem is easier once the problem is clearly stated. So, got that going for me. And I got some possibilities. I got 5 possibilities now. 6. No, 5, because you can still do the solutions. But anyway, combinations of the 4 real possibilities. Or 3 real possibilities, because you can just clump all the trapezoid problems together. Change the trapezoid in some way, change the knife in some way, change the actual blade in some way, the angles on the blade in some way. Those are the 3 options. The other option is combo of all of those. It's probably going to be a combo of all those in some way. I'm just not sure which ways. I'll figure that out in a bit. Hopefully I'll have some more answers for you when I do my next video. Yeah. I still got to work on making sure that the holes don't poke through the side. You can see the grooves. It's getting better, but it's still, I haven't gotten a hard solution for that yet. But we'll get there. Alright guys. Oh, and I haven't started on the handle yet, but I have it out. I'm ready to make a cut once I sort of figure out what the length is going to be. This might be my next fun part of the project. Problem solving is not the fun part, but it is the important part. Finding the solution, once you do find the solution, that's really cool feeling. But running into the problems, of course, isn't fun. Alright, thanks guys. I'll put this up and put it on RPF. Thanks. Bye.